Okay, first graders, this week for vocabulary strategies, we are looking at suffixes. Last week we looked at prefixes. Pre means before. So when we had prefixes, we were putting word chunks before a root word to change the meaning. Suffixes are word chunks that go at the end. So it is a word part added to the end of a word to make a new word. Okay, and we've used some of these before. For example, when we were talking about changing nouns into verbs, for example, I can teach. Oh, sorry, we were turning verbs into nouns. So teach is a verb, but when I add er, it becomes teacher, a person who can teach. Okay, so that's kind of the same idea. And that's actually an example that they give here. The suffix or, so not er, but or here, means a person who. So it works the same way as er was working on these verbs. Okay. The suffix full, ful, means full of. The suffix less means without. And the suffix ly, means in a way that is. Okay, so we are going to read each sentence and use the meaning of or, full, less, or ly as a clue to the meaning of the bold word. Match the sentence with the word's meaning. Okay, so here on number 1 it says, the new puppy is playful. Playful is in bold. Do you see what the suffix is? Let's underline the suffix. Full. Okay, remember, full means full of. So when we see playful, it means full of play. Do you see that definition here? Right here, full of play. Okay. Number 2, Dad is a good sailor. Okay, do you see the suffix? We have or. Or means a person who. So with sailor, we have a person who sails. Do you see that definition? A person who sails. There it is. Okay. Number 3, the glass of water is colorless. Where's our suffix? Less. Less means without. So colorless means without color. Do you see that definition somewhere? There you go. Okay, I'm not going to give you the answers on 4, 5, and 6. Let's see which ones you can figure out on your own. I will still read it though. Number 4, please be careful on the slide. Careful is our word. You can underline the suffix if that's helpful. What does careful mean? In a way that's bold, a person who visits, or full of care. Number 5, the hero sang boldly. What does boldly mean? In a way that's bold, a person who visits, full of care. Number 6, there is a visitor at the door. What does visitor mean? Look at the suffix. In a way that's bold, a person who visits, or full of care. Okay, come back tomorrow and see if you got them all right.